What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, man. I ain't gotta say nothing daunted. Man, I have to say 40 car 39 good. You already see what we doing, man. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know the states mad, you know? Yeah, man, we just took a trip to the states. And states mad right here now. Cause you see what we are dealing with today. We're there with none other than the states boss himself. We're there raw cash. The one that named Splurge. And if I take sound like this nigga talking his shit on this shit, talking some lavish shit, huh? What you talking some money shit, nigga? Some popping your shit in this one, raw cash. What you want, gang? You see me? I gotta check it out and swear that I gotta deal with raw cash, Splurge. You don't know raw cash been on the road, my nigga. You see me? I say with Bombard, Frito-Lays, with Forklift, with it nigga been on the road, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. Pretty girls love states. Hey, man. Hey. I can't lie. This man been on the road, gang. So we're going to check out Spurs to what he do. Want to see if he continue on that trajectory. You see me, I say. But before you do, hit the like and subscribe button. You already know, man. Code, man. Code. Help everybody lift up my stress. Hit the like button, gang. You already know what time it is. Rock your Spurs. Just get it.
On it now. Raw cash them come in, you know, right? And raw cash them and leave a big tip.
Yeah, dog, anything, dog. 59 chopping.
Let's be honest, we got to dog, I quote the J, friend.
On it now. Raw cash them come in, you know, right? And raw cash them and leave a big tip.
Yeah, dog, anything, dog. 59 chopping, my friend.
China man, them come out club, come spend a meal and make it back quick.
Jaga.
I want him let me.
Chatter. States, mad, David. Gala fisking.
David.
Out. From states, jump out. Pay a fee, pussy scam a man in your choke, white out. She just left night crown. Me chew, just a kick out and call on badness. Arcade downtown, hot man, Maxfield with bounce a head out. Run them file them a punk and a cow. Say bitch, drop your pussy pa my cock and shut your mouth.
Woohoo! This man on the road, man. This man on the road, man. Come on.
That boy!
This man on the road, man. Come on.
Be a fear pussy scam a man in your choke, white out. She just left night crown. Me chew, just a kick out and call on badness. Arcade downtown, hot man, Maxfield with bounce a head out. Run them file them a punk and a cow. Say bitch, drop your pussy pa my cock and shut your mouth. How will you love? Bricks. She want fucking at the club. Bitch. Scam a man you love. Box you with the brick, you run the pussy then you cuff. How will you love? State. She want.
You don't find another one. Yes, man. Raw cash is on her. Come on, man. Stop playing with the man.
Shut your mouth. How will you love? Bricks. She want fucking at the club. Bitch. Scam a man you love. Box you with the brick, you run the pussy then you cuff. How will you love? State. She want fucking at the club. Bitch. Scam a man you love. Box you with the brick, you run the pussy then you cuff.
Oh, bro, that time you go and move my arm to you, man.
Pa my cock and shut your mouth. Mount a brick, my chop at the and no little food. China man, no give less than 100 grand, you little fool. Yo, them soft, them is a chicken, give my could be cook. Me drop a brick pan any girl long as your pussy good. She see the jeep, she see the whips and pussy turn and cool. Them the
You need to chop it, bro. Come on.
my chop at the and no little food. China man, no give less than 100 grand, you little fool. Yo, them soft, them is a chicken, give my could be cook. Me drop a brick pan any girl long as your pussy good. She see the jeep, she see the whips and pussy turn and cool. Them diva in a fem.
She see the drip, she see the whip and pussy turn up hole. Easy now.
Give my could be cook. Me drop a brick pan any girl long as your pussy good. She see the jeep, she see the whips and pussy turn and cool. Them diva in a fem class, them diva near my school. Strap up with metal, oh no fuck, we have some deadly tool. We in a Gucci show, don't navy, oh no fucking fool.
Who you see that man? Strap up with them. Theater man, we did have some deadly tools around here.
She see the whips and pussy turn and cool. Them diva in a fem class, them diva near my school. Strap up with metal, oh no fuck, we have some deadly tool. We in a Gucci show, don't navy, oh no fucking fool. Bricks. She want fucking at the club. Bitch. Scam a man you love. Box you with the brick, you run the pussy then you cuff. How will you love? State. She want fucking at the club. Bitch.
Easy now, man. Go on, show.
Scam a man you love. Box you with the brick, you run the pussy then you cuff. Chop your pussy pa my cock and shut your mouth. Do as I say, cankle button till it melt. Nah dead broke, so I soul off his cell. Man stop push.
Do me say, can go bun till he melt. Nah, dead broke. Easy.
I'ma cock and shut your mouth. Do as I say, cankle button till it melt. Nah dead broke, so I soul off his cell. Man stop push out, I beam pon the Benz. Me no see no Jagger Richard dancing a man them. Part
Man stop push out, high beam pan the Benz.
off his cell. Man stop push out, I beam pon the Benz. Me no see no Jagger Richard dancing a man them. Parchment paper with the redding pen. Mexico head, hot cash out the check them.
Parchment paper, the reading pen.
Parchment paper with the redding pen. Mexico head, hot cash out the check them. Account for load up him money pack them. When me cash out alone, USD me the spend. Bricks, she want fucking at the club, bitch. Scammer man you love. Box you with the brick, you run the pussy then you go.
Come on, mama, I want tear, man. Come on.
How will you love? State, she want fucking at the club, bitch. Scammer man you love. Box you with the brick, you run the pussy then you go. Chop your pussy, chop my cock and shut your mouth, shut your mouth.
Shh. Damn, girl. Oof.
So with the brick, you run the pussy then you go. Chop your pussy, chop my cock and shut your mouth, shut your mouth. Bitch.
Raw Cash
Vamos, Max. Usa tu
continues his damn trajectory, man. He continues his role. He's on the road, man, and he continues his bombard. Yeah, man, he continues on that road, man. Another banger. Yeah, man. That shit come like Frito-Lays, bro. As I said, this the vibe. You can't Raw Cash continue with these vibes. He's gonna keep going crazy, man. Splurge. You went hard at that shit. The visuals is crazy. The ladies is crazy. It's the style, the pattern. Raw Cash really grew, bro. Like, this man is growing. Like, the man is evolving. Damn, like, the production and quality and everything is up, bro. It's up, bro. Shout out to Raw Cash, bro. Yeah, man, I like it. I love 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 seeing it. I love seeing the artists that grew on us, flow on us, master them. Yeah, craft, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah, man, gang, me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me and say, if you like it, definitely show the artists some love and support. Make you know, say, yo, the dance. And you see me and say, gang, yeah, Raw Cash doing this thing, man. I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it. Yeah, I'm rocking with it. Yeah, if you like, you show the artists some love and support. Make you know, say, the dance. Drop your request. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. What else? Yeah, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Yeah, man. Drop your request, drop so you can get your shout out. We're on the road to 10K, man. I've been on the road to 10K for a minute. I'm getting back active, man. I'm getting back. You don't know. Man, I'm stopping talking about it. I'm just going to be about it. You see me what I'm saying? Yeah, live's going to get more frequent. All that good stuff. So look out for that. You don't know I'm scheduling that. So look for that. Be scheduled on your channel. Look out for that on your homepage. All that good stuff. Yeah. We're going to start going live very frequently. Almost damn near almost every day of the week. We're going to start going live, man. No joke. No joke. Yeah, road to 10K. Hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the like button. Help your boy hold up him stress. You see me answer, so the videos can get out to other people. You see me answer, when you hit the like button, my videos go out to other people. Help my channel grow, man. So hit the like button. You already know what time it is. Raw Cash, very talented, man. He's doing the thing. Where that come from? Mandeville, Manchester. You see me answer? Yeah, dog, I do it. Country badness. Yeah, boy. Easy now, man. Yeah, man, big up Raw Cash, man. Keep doing your thing, gang. You don't know. You can solidify yourself in the game. You have a place here in the dancehall music, man. Yeah. Keep going, man. You don't know, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.